Hey guys, David at the Crystal-Lak Company. I just wanted to share a quick video with you and just talk about something that struck my eye this morning on a YouTube channel that I watched, and of course we all watch those. But it was there was a gentleman trying out a 1K lacquer based product in comparison to chalk paint, as far as the durability with cabinets and maybe even furniture or whatever. But he was talking about the durability, and just let me add something. There's absolutely no such product, paint, stain, top coat, anything on the market that does not require prep. Everything requires prep, and every piece of furniture, every cabinet, whether it's raw wood, pre-finished, whatever, you're finishing for the first time, there's no such thing as no prep. And let me point out something about chalk paint. Now, here at the Crystal-Lak Company, we could make chalk paint, and I'll tell you what chalk paint is. 90% of the time, maybe even more, when it's called a chalk paint, that means they've had calcium carbonate or some other type of filler in it, which absolutely adds nothing to durability. The chalk and chalk paint makes no difference on durability, adhesion, any of those types of things. So before you spend those great big huge bucks on a designer chalk paint, or you watch the reviews from folks that sell designer chalk paint, keep in mind these two things. There's no such thing as no prep, and there's no such thing as chalk paint, chalk type paints being more durable or adhere better. So that's my rant for the day, and I hope it helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Crystal-Lak Company. Thanks a lot, and have a nice day, guys. See ya.